Welcome to this comprehensive guide on erasure coding. In this video, we will explore how erasure coding provides efficient data protection and fault tolerance for distributed systems. Whether you are new to data storage or looking to deepen your understanding, this video will break down the concepts step by step. Erasure coding is a technique that divides data into fragments and adds redundant information. Unlike simple duplication, where you copy data multiple times, erasure coding distributes data more efficiently across multiple storage devices. It allows you to recover lost or corrupted data even when some devices fail, while using significantly less storage space than traditional replication methods. To understand erasure coding, let's first look at replication. With replication, you create multiple copies of your data. For example, if you have 10 gigabytes of data and want protection against 2 failures, you might store 3 complete copies, using 30 gigabytes total. This ensures that even if 2 copies are lost, you still have 1 intact copy. However, this approach uses 3 times the original storage space, which is expensive at scale. Erasure coding takes a different approach. Instead of storing complete copies, it breaks data into smaller pieces and creates calculated redundant pieces. With erasure coding using a 4+2 configuration, you divide your data into 4 pieces and generate 2 additional pieces. Even if any 2 pieces are lost, you can reconstruct the original data using the remaining 4 pieces. This requires only 1.5 times the original storage instead of 3 times. Let's see how this works with a concrete example. Imagine you have 12 gigabytes of data. You first divide it into 4 fragments of 3 gigabytes each. Then, using mathematical algorithms, you generate 2 additional redundancy fragments. So you have 6 fragments total, each 3 gigabytes in size. These 6 fragments are distributed across 6 different storage devices. If any 2 devices fail, the remaining 4 fragments contain enough information to reconstruct all the original data through mathematical calculations. The mathematics behind erasure coding uses concepts from coding theory. The Cauchy matrix is commonly used to calculate redundant fragments. Reed-Solomon codes are another popular approach. These mathematical techniques ensure that any subset of fragments can reconstruct the original data. The key principle is that if you have n original fragments and k redundant fragments, you can lose up to k fragments and still recover everything. This is why erasure coding is so powerful for fault tolerance. When comparing storage efficiency, erasure coding significantly outperforms replication. For the same level of fault tolerance against 2 failures, replication uses 3 times the storage, while erasure coding with 4+2 uses only 1.5 times the storage. This means you save 50% of storage space. For large-scale systems storing petabytes or exabytes of data, this efficiency translates to massive cost savings in infrastructure and hardware. Erasure coding offers significant advantages in storage savings and lower infrastructure costs. You can also tune the level of fault tolerance by adjusting the number of redundant fragments. However, there are challenges. Erasure coding requires higher CPU processing power for encoding and decoding operations. The mathematical calculations are more complex than simple copying. Additionally, recovery operations are slower when data needs to be reconstructed from fragments. Erasure coding is used extensively in modern systems. Cloud storage providers like Amazon S3, Google Cloud Storage, and Azure Blob Storage employ erasure coding. Distributed file systems such as HDFS, Ceph, and Gluster FS use it for large-scale data management. Video streaming platforms like Netflix and YouTube leverage erasure coding in their content delivery networks. It is also ideal for backup and archival systems, where long-term storage efficiency is critical. Erasure coding provides fault tolerance with significantly less storage overhead than replication. It divides data into fragments and adds redundancy through mathematical calculations. This approach is ideal for cold storage and large-scale systems where storage efficiency matters. By understanding erasure coding, You gain insight into how modern distributed systems achieve reliability while minimizing costs. This technology is fundamental to how cloud providers manage massive amounts of data efficiently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.